Feeling chained to your desk or glued to your screen? You're not alone. While regular breaks to stretch your legs are crucial for your well-being, investing in a top-notch ergonomic chair is equally vital. A seat that provides proper lumbar support can make a world of difference in your daily comfort and long-term health. There are many desk chairs to choose from, with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best desk chairs from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Firmax Office Support Desk Chair. The Firmax Office Support Desk Chair combines ergonomic design with superior comfort, making it the ideal choice for long work hours. Its innovative dual lumbar support system mimics the feel of hands supporting your waist, effectively alleviating back pain caused by extended sitting. The chair's slightly concave cushion, crafted from high-density elastic sponge and covered in breathable mesh, offers exceptional comfort and durability. A solid wood inner layer adds stability to the 3-layer seat structure. The chair's high-quality materials, including a smooth, breathable mesh surface and SGGS-certified gas lift, support up to 240 pounds. The Bimifa 5-star leg base ensures stability and safety, with its thoughtful design and premium construction. The Firmax Office Support Desk Chair provides an unparalleled sitting experience, promoting better posture and reducing fatigue during your workday. Number 2. Herman Miller Aran Ergonomic Chair. The Herman Miller Aran Ergonomic Chair, available in mineral color and size B, is a pinnacle of comfort and sustainability. Crafted from recycled materials, this chair boasts impressive dimensions with adjustable seat heights to suit various users. Its innovative tilt limiter offers multiple recline postures, while the tension control allows you to customize the recline effort. The seat angle adjustment feature enables you to shift from a neutral to an engaged position. Experience unparalleled lumbar support with the adjustable posture fit sacrolumbar system, featuring 2 independently flexing pads that conform to your spine's natural curve. The fully adjustable arms provide exceptional versatility, with height adjustment options, a generous backward and forward range, and the ability to pivot outward and inward. Number 3. On-Ignition Ergonomic Office Chair. The On-Ignition Ergonomic Office Chair is the ultimate solution for those seeking comfort and support during long hours at their computer desk. This exceptional chair boasts an advanced synchro-tilt recline mechanism and matic seat height adjustment, ensuring optimal ergonomics tailored to your body. The chair's standout feature is its 4-way stretch mesh back, which promotes superior airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout your workday. Customizable lumbar support and adjustable armrests reduce pressure points, making this chair ideal for extended use. The On-Ignition's highly adjustable mechanisms, including seat slide capabilities, allow for personalized alignment in any workspace, maximizing both productivity and comfort. Whether you're working from home or in a traditional office setting, this ergonomic marvel adapts to your needs, providing unparalleled support and flexibility. Number 4. Hage Capisco Adjustable Standing Desk Chair. The Hage Capisco Adjustable Standing Desk Chair is a revolutionary seating solution designed for the modern dynamic workspace. Perfect for alternating between sitting and standing at adjustable height desks, this award-winning chair features a seat height range of 22.5 to 33 and an 18.5 backrest. Its innovative soft and wide saddle seat promotes healthy blood flow and encourages multi-directional sitting, allowing users to position themselves forwards, backwards, or sideways. The Capisco offers unparalleled customization with adjustable seat height, depth, back height, and tilt, accommodating users up to 250 pounds. Equipped with a 10.44 lift height and a 5-star base with breaking caster suitable for both hardwood and low-pile carpet, this chair ensures stability and mobility. Environmentally conscious users will appreciate that the Capisco is constructed from 50 recycled materials and is 90 recyclable. Number 5. Steelcase Gesture Office Chair. The Steelcase Gesture Office Chair redefines ergonomic seating with its innovative design that adapts to your unique body and work posture. This premium chair caters to a diverse range of users and sitting positions, making it ideal for those who require a precise fit during extended periods of desk work. The Gesture boasts an array of high-quality features, including carpet-friendly wheels, 360-degree adjustable arms, and a contoured back that mirrors your spine's natural curvature. All intuitive adjustments are conveniently located on the right side within easy reach, ensuring effortless customization. With a full recline range offering 3 settings and an upright back lock, the gesture provides unparalleled flexibility and its thoughtful design and superior craftsmanship make it an exceptional choice for professionals seeking the ultimate in comfort, adaptability, and style. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.